Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access the layer menu of your pages and websites you create on Wix in 2026 to navigate through these, for example, and to access different layers in your web page you're creating and editing. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the Wix website editor, access the page of your website. I will go with this one here. And there are two ways how you can access the layer menu. One option would be to click into the symbol or icon in the very bottom left corner, and that is going to enable the layers menu. Or alternately, you click into this button, section layers, in the bottom right corner, and for example navigate through these, or select see all layers, and that is going to redirect you basically to the same menu you accessed by clicking into this button. So you can expand these section layers and navigate to a specific layer, like an image, for instance, and that is going to automatically select also the given layer, like an image, vector, art, text boxes, various buttons, and so on and so forth, guys. So let me close that menu. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.